Today we will see how to submit assignment work in Google Classroom. So this is I have joined one Google Classroom of mathematics. Now see in stream we can see the assignments assigned by our teacher. So suppose I want to do this assignment, so I just click on it. So we can see the assignment here. So click on this assignment. The assignment is opened here. These are the questions in this assignment. So do this assignment or solve this assignment in notebook. Take its photograph or scan the answer sheet, and then we have to submit our work. So for that, click on this add button. Okay. So we want to file our answer sheet. So for that, to submit that assignment, I click on this attachment, this file. So select the file from your device. So click here. So suppose this is my assignment or answer sheet, solved assignment. I just click on this scan copy or photo of the assignment. I just click on open. Suppose I want to add more files or one more another photograph, then I add more files here. Click on add more files. So suppose this is our second photograph. I just click on it and say open. Okay, and then upload. It takes some times. Okay, now see here. After uploading the assignment, I just click here this handy. So I just click here. Two attachments will be submitted for assignment first. Hand in. So you have submitted your assignment successfully. Suppose you want to write some private comment. If you want to, then we can add here. I have submitted my assignment and so on. So in this way we can successfully submit our assignment.